Good morning. I'm on my way to see a tradesman who needs advice. Thermal bridges, dew point calculation, surface temperature. With the GIS 1000C, we're sure to have the right innovative tool with us, and we'll be able to give some good advice. Okay, here we have our infrared scanner, the GIS 1000C, 1000 degrees maximum temperature measurement. I'll give it to you to hold.
Oh, excellent.
It's very easy to handle. There's a red button here that you can press.
Okay.
Then hold down the red button. You'll see these two laser points for orientation.
Yes.
Now you can move over the panel and continually measure the temperature. So far, so good? Then I'd suggest we give the tool a try in real-life conditions.
Right. Our job here is to see whether the pump and the motor are running okay temperature-wise.
Yes?
That means we have a specified temperature limit of PTC 150 degrees, which of course we shouldn't exceed.
Okay. Right, I'll hold up the tool like this. Now we have to observe the emissivity degree. So we'll select it here.
Okay.
Now I'll go into the settings again. And here it's especially important to activate the alarm. The alarm warns me if any overheating is going on here. To raise this limit, I go to Temperature, and under Alarm Max, I enter the temperature I consider to be the maximum, where the tolerance is reached. Then I go back and start to measure, and now I've quickly checked the temperature again. In this case, we're clearly within a very good temperature range, so there's absolutely no problem.
Here we've received a customer order to do yearly servicing and inspection on this control cabinet to see if there are any thermal problems.
Okay. For this, I'd suggest that we use our free app. Switch on Bluetooth, then go to Connect. The two devices then connect to each other pretty quickly.
Yes.
Okay. Now I'm going to create a new project. I'll give it a name, create, and now we've got our file and we'll take a picture of the cabinet.
Okay.
Here I can now define my measuring points.
Anywhere in the image?
Anywhere in this image. We say we want to measure this position.
Yes.
We keep a safe distance, and the ideal distance is between 50 and 100 centimeters. Now we aim at our target, measure, let go, and the measured value appears automatically here in my image. I can send the whole thing by email. So now we've saved all the details and all the values for me and for the customer.
Here, we're in an installation room behind a cold storage cell that has a temperature of -18 degrees.
Okay.
We often have a problem with condensate and mold. We don't know exactly where it's coming from.
Then I see two issues here. One is, of course, energy-saving measures, while the other is health risks caused by problems such as mold formation.
Correct.
It's all probably also the result of insulation problems. Let's get started. I'll give you the tool. You've had a little experience with it now.
Excellent.
It is, of course, important to observe the emissivity degree. It has to be set.
Yes, 19.
Then we mask these measuring positions with this black tape in order to prevent reflection effects. If there were graph.
The site manager.
Also for the site manager or the client. Let's switch to dew point calculation.
Okay.
That's for detecting mold, which is a big health problem.
Done.
If there were a need to act here, then you'd have to go to the site manager or the owner to discuss appropriate measures.
Save.
Save, and then you have a very good, reliable measuring result.
Brilliant. Here we have a ventilation duct that's insulated, and we often have a problem with thermal bridges on it.
Yes.
Is it properly insulated?
So we need a quality proof.
And a technical verification, exactly.
I'll give you the tool.
Okay.
Now we have to open this cover, and here there is a Type K interface that we can simply connect to. And the big advantage of this is that we can now measure here. Exactly. You can also measure the surface on the outside, measure on the inside, and at the same time take a photo or transfer everything to the app on a tablet, giving you the confirmation whether this insulation is technically okay or whether there are energy problems here. That's the job done already.
Excellent.
Quick and precise. Right, we're finished with our tests.
Good.
Have we covered everything?
Absolutely. Also, with that app you were telling me about. It's all excellent. I really like it.
Then I'll just summarize everything we tested today.
Okay.
We measured room temperature, surface temperature, displayed thermal bridges,
That's right.
calculated the dew point, we transferred data to our app, we dealt with the emissivity degree, talked about reflections,
Yes.
and now I wish you all the best with your work.
You too.
I'll be seeing you. What a successful day. How we were able to help the tradesman was very good. But we also have many other great products. I look forward to the next assignment. I look forward to seeing you again and wish you all the best. See you soon.